Hello guys, welcome back to a Ninja Boy Vlogs. Today we are going to be doing a thing, like a challenge, and we are going to have handcuffs. We're going to handcuff my hands together, not behind my back, in front of me, and we're going to try to sneak into the house and do stuff. So, let's do it. Okay, so we're going to come over here. Whoa, about tripped. Ah, it's so bright, you guys can't see anything. Okay, there we go. So, we are gonna get the handcuffs on right now. Sorry about the view. Okay. Got one on. And I got two. So I got a way to sneak in. I'm just gonna go over, get into a bedroom. Yeah. This is so much harder with handcuffs on. Okay, okay. Oh, it's nice and green out. It's been so long since I've seen green. Literally. Okay, so, this is it. You can only fit like a tiny space in there, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. So, if we just do that. Oh, gosh. So we are away from my cousin, Striker. So yeah, and yeah, we are gonna do this.
The power of something greater. The power of supporting our neighbors. The power of working together. And the power of being there for those who need
Okay, so she's totally in the bedroom, and I am handcuffed. Let's just go in and What you doing? Nothing. I just started a new video. What's wrong?
You don't want me doing that.
What? So yeah, I snuck in, got into the room, and yeah, so we're good. And we're in. So, this room's off limits right now, because it's my room, so yeah. So we're gonna go out. That TV's so loud. Okay, we got that out. So yeah, we came from over here, remember? So yeah, it's been good. Yeah. So I'm gonna tell you something about that kid named Striker. She's just being a smart aleck right now. Yeah, just being a stupid smart aleck. If she goes in the room, I'm gonna get in again. Okay, ready? Open the door. Oh, you're zoomed in. I think. Or just.
196 square feet, still very large for you. Needs a little bit of updating, but at $410,000, you have plenty of money to do all of that. We have room to do that. I took it out. Yeah, perfect. You are so slow. Yeah. Hey, oh, cool. Yeah. Good, right? Yeah, I like that. Love the tile floor. Tile floors throughout, except in the bedroom
And we're in.
and the bonus rooms, which is
Came
really
out.
nice.
So yeah,
220.
we need this football.
You think it's just a 220?
We got a football here. Being handcuffed to do stuff is very hard. So we just came in out of nowhere, and yeah, holy cow, that TV's loud. Anyways, so we got this football here. We should probably go outside, get something, and like throw at it using handcuffs. So I don't know. Like this is with the handcuff on. Should we do it? Let's go. We're gonna go find something. This will be fun. Being handcuffed is pretty hard. Yeah. So we are going to get something. So yeah. So we can use that box right there, right here. If I can ever grab it. Okay, we got the box. Now we are gonna open the door at the box, and whoa, that wasp just came out of nowhere. Okay, we are gonna put this box right here. Ah, don't fall over, no. Wind. Okay, now we grab the football. We're gonna have to try throw one-handed with the camera. Ready? Handcuffs. I did it! It just fell over. It literally just fell over. If we just grab it. Oh, this is so hard. I'm holding the football and trying to get that box up. If it goes down again, that's just gonna be sad. Watch, I'm gonna turn around and it's gonna be on the ground. Okay, good. This is gonna be hard to hit it. Right there, okay. Hit it. Oh, I hit the fence. Missed it. Yeah, I'm just gonna go up here. Ah, there we go. Now we grab this. Yeah, make sure you don't. Oh my gosh, it just fell. The only thing like to make this not fall is cupcakes, right? Yeah. Okay, attempt number 5084. Ah! Yeah, the power of the force may be with you. I got it, guys. I totally missed it, but shh, be quiet. Okay, another target. Oh, ow, my foot. I just kicked it with my shin. Well, that's not my foot. It's my leg. So, feel like we could put this on the trash can. Probably not. It's gonna fall. We're gonna grab the football. I'm actually really good at throwing the football with handcuffs on. Okay, then we're just gonna go. Goal! I totally hit it, guys. Okay, that cardboard's in the trash now. Well, that was fun. Let's just sneak in one more time. Let's go. We are going on a trip. 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 Hi. We are going on a trip. We are going on a trip. We are going on a trip. We're going on a trip. Hi, yeah. Boom, dun, dun. Come on, Molly. Come with me. Let's run. Now she might chase me. There she is. Come, Molly, come. Molly. Good job. Good girl. Come on. Let's go inside. Inside this way. Yeah, you're like wondering, why is it this way? Go, Molly. Inside. I'm just gonna run. Look. Oh, I really see her.
See you later.
So now we run this way. Okay, that was pretty fun. Got into the house, hit some places with it, and yeah. So that's gonna be it for the video. Hope you have a great time. Bye.